Hi, this is Ari from Prizmatix, and today I'll be showing you how to correctly connect our optogenetics setup. We have our LED, the port is open. Now I'm taking my large core fiber, this is a 1500 micron fiber, and connecting it to the SMA port. Make sure it's fastened all the way. Now I'll be taking the other side of the fiber, the FC port. You can see I'm checking where the notch is on the FC port and then lining it up in the correct spot. And now I'm holding on to the rotary joint itself and screwing the FC on it. Now I'll be taking the other fiber. This is a two 500 micron fibers. You line up the notch again, put in the connector. Now hold on to the boot of the connector while you screw in the FC sleeve. Just like this. Now you can see it's turning freely. I'll be turning on the LED now, and you can see light is flowing out evenly out of both ferrules. Thank you. Have a good day.